So we get the new battery in, we've hooked up the positive terminal and we've bolted it down, which is bolt down here, which is good. Now we just need to put the negative terminal back on. There we go. And tighten her up. There we go, it's nice and tight, not going anywhere, so we've got power back in the car. Right, so we reconnected the battery, and now when we turn the ignition on, we see the radio needs a code. So to enter that code, first of all, we need to actually consult the book to try and remember what the code is. Okay, so pretty sure. So that one's correct. So then to alter it, you need to use 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons, and you can scroll through. I'm pretty sure that's the code, but to enter it you actually have to press and hold the 6 button, which isn't obvious because there is an enter button here, but it's not that one, it's that one. And then hopefully, yep, there we go. We're all back on and everything's working, which is terrific.